Hey everyone, Amber here from BD Diesel, here to talk to you about our new turbo intake horn for the 2017 to 2022 6.6 liter Duramax. Let's get into it. If you drive a 2017 to 2022 6.6 liter Duramax with the L5P engine and are looking to upgrade your turbo, then consider including the new BD Diesel turbo intake horn as part of your install. The factory plastic turbocharger inlet pipe has an airflow restriction when trying to increase performance. Instead of modifying and removing the nozzle off the factory pipe, upgrading to our larger metal intake horn can increase performance and durability when dealing with your new power upgrade. The turbo intake horn from BD Diesel offers increased flow and less restriction, and features TIG-welded construction from 409 stainless steel with a black powder coat finish. This intake horn is a drop-in component that complements upgrading larger turbos like BD Diesel's L5P Screamer Turbo. Be sure to include the new turbo intake horn from BD Diesel in your performance upgrade and experience increased flow and better support for your new turbo. For more information, check out our website at bddiesel.com.